Hi, I'm Matt, the in-house robot outrun-ologist here at Red Pepper, and welcome to another edition of Touch on Tech, where we cover the latest in emerging technologies so we can get smart and share it with you. Join us.
Reality is a lie.
So Facebook has teamed up with Ray-Ban to release their stories, which are some classic Ray-Ban frames, but they've actually got cameras and microphones and speakers built into them. So when you're doing things with your hands and you can't pull out a camera, you need something on your head to record all the things you do. Well, now you just take your hand full of things and you just click a little button on the side of these glasses and it starts to record. Easy peasy, hands are freezy. So those Ray-Ban stories are the first generation of smart glasses, but eventually when they become more AR friendly and have an overlay of the entire world with digital content, then things like AR art galleries are going to be a thing. You just walk into an empty room and all of a sudden art just comes to life. Things are appearing over top of other things, creepy little babies are walking around, and there's people sneaking up on you in the middle of the night, crawling on your toes in your bed. The future. So big brands are getting into the NFT game. Burger King happens to have their Keeping It Real meals. So if you collect 3 of these meals by scanning a QR code, you now own an NFT representation of that meal. And if you collect all 3, then you get a special unlock treat. Free belly treat right in your esophagus. And not to be outdone by Keeping It Real meals, Visa's getting into the game by buying a CryptoPunk for $150,000. Why would they do this? Well, they're just trying to get smart on technology too. How else are they going to offer NFT services if they don't own NFTs? So there you go. Good luck, Visa. You're going to do it. Teach us what you know.
Capitalism.
Candyman, 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 Candyman.
Whoa. You can't say it the 5th time.
But oh. So Jordan Peele's remake of popular horror movie is coming out soon, and they've released a WebAR experience, which lets you pull up your phone, turns your camera on, and it starts listening. And so if you say the C word 5 times, something special happens. But in the meantime, you've got bees landing on your face, and then on that 5th time, you don't want to know. So if you paired these audio triggers with these augmented reality glasses that we keep hearing about, you'd be able to walk up to real world things and trigger AR effects. So were you watching TechCrunch Disrupt like we were this week? Well, if you did, you would have seen that there's a new VR product called TRIPP, which is a wellness app that lets you meditate and reset your mind. Namaste. Do you hear that? Sounds like the pitter-patter of robot feet. I gotta get out of here, to the bunker. If you didn't hear, Tesla had their AI day recently, and you know what they revealed? A Tesla bot, which is an autonomous robot built with the same technology that they make Teslas with. And should you be scared of these? Not so much. I mean, they can only do 5 miles per hour tops, and they can only lift 125 pounds. So you're probably pretty safe. And if I had a Tesla robot, I would actually put the phone in its hand and let it answer all these telemarketing calls I get so that it can talk to other robots. That's it for another edition of Touch on Tech. Thanks for stopping by and spending some time with us. We hope to see you next time on another edition of Touch on Tech.